Hi, it's Kyle Chester Marsden from Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I would like to share some information with you regarding our JL3RH JobLink Psychrometer probes. Now, did you know that the JobLink psychrometers can take multiple measurements at the same time? So with these tools, you can actually take and view up to 7 different measurements and display them on our manifold or the JobLink mobile or tablet application. The measurements that are available are the following: dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, relative humidity, dew point temperature, enthalpy value, and finally a return dry bulb minus supply dry bulb. And so having all of these measurements in the palm of your hand with our psychrometers can assist you with diagnosing and commissioning of a system, and when you combine that with our 300-meter wireless range, it eliminates the need to be in 2 places at once, ultimately making your job easier, faster and better. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.